Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and also share this video. The Sunday World article, which was written today, detailing the horrific and chilling details that Dr. Nandipha Magutumana, who is currently in prison, revealed shocking information that not only has she been humiliated at her own birthday party by this man, you guys, but it is stated in the article that Thabo Bester was also accused of physically assaulting Dr. Nandipha Magutumana in front of her young kids, you guys, her two daughters. Dr. Nandipha has kids with her ex-husband, Dr. Mkuseli Magutumani, and according to the articles, those girls have unfortunately seen their mom being assaulted by Thabo Bester, you guys, and this is such an unfortunate and very sad and sensitive issue. Please, guys, do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I'll definitely catch you in the next update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.